Hello sir, I'm finished the SEO setup on your website. So let's check the website on other website SEO checking tool. And this is the SEOability.net, and this is the top website for SEO checking. You can see the test your website with the SEO checker from SEOability, and you can find the accurate score on your website. So I'm giving the URL, you can see here, and analyze the website. Also, in this moment I want to show you, this is our admin area. You can see we are now admin, and I have used the used SEO plugin for website SEO, which is top plugin for WordPress website. The purpose showing, and right now you can see our score is 80% out of 100. So first of all, here you can see meta description is 100% complete, then our page quality is 73%, the structure of our page 75%, and the link structure 91%, also our server and external factor 21%. So here you get some task for improvement on our website. So I need to clear some improve on my your website. And meta description is, you can see here all of the green store, and the website is completely done by used SEO plugin. You can see some keyword I'm using: plumbing, then instant plumbing, your company name. So I'm giving the full page to you so that you can check the website page. Thank you.